students, let's see the question. The question is, diagrammatically show the difference between the three types of muscle fibers. So the question has asked us to draw a diagram for the different kinds of muscle fibers present and tell the difference between all three of them. So first of all, we all should know that there are three types of muscle fibers present in our body. We will see each one of them along with their diagrams. The first one is cardiac muscles. Cardiac, the word is supposed to be related to the heart. So these muscle fibers are present in the heart walls. So let's see the diagram. So this is the diagram of the cardiac muscles. And the red one represented in this diagram is the nucleus of the muscle fiber. So first of all, let us know some points about the cardiac muscles. So cardiac muscles, they are present in the heart, as the name suggests. These muscles are found exclusively in the heart. Secondly, they are involuntary in nature. What do you mean by involuntary? Involuntary means that they are not in our control. We cannot control the cardiac muscles. So they are involuntary in nature. They are directly controlled by our brain, by our hypothalamus pituitary. Moreover, they are uninucleated, means they have one nucleus, which means each muscle fiber is having only one nucleus. As we can see in the diagram also. That every muscle fiber, if this is the muscle fiber, it is having one nucleus. The next muscle fiber is having another nucleus. So each muscle fiber is having its own separate nucleus. So they are uninucleated. They have only one nucleus. Moreover, as we can see in the diagram also, that they are branched. Branching is present. This is the branching. So these muscle fibers are connected to each other and we can say they are branched. So they are branched. Now, if we move to our second type of muscle fiber, which is the smooth muscles. So let us draw a diagram for this also. So this is the diagram of the smooth muscle fibers, and the thin fibers which you can see in the diagram, these are called as the myofibrils. These are thin strands of the fibers, and in center we can see the nucleus of the muscle fiber. So let's talk about smooth muscles. So smooth muscles, first of all, they are found in lungs and alimentary canal. They are found in lungs and our alimentary canal, which is our gut. Next, they also are involuntary in nature, which means they are not in our control. Involuntary in nature, we cannot control them. Number third point is they have one nucleus. They are also uninucleated, as we can see in the diagram, that each muscle fiber is having its one nucleus only. They are not 2, 3 nucleus are not present. There's only one nucleus present. Moreover, the most important point is that they are having a particular shape, which is they are spindle shaped. This tapering towards the ends and swollen towards the middle, this kind of shape is called as spindle shape. So we can say they are spindle shaped. So this is about the smooth muscles. Now the third type of muscle fiber which is present, it is called the striated muscles. Striated muscle fibers. So let's draw a diagram. So this is the diagram of the striated muscles, and these markings which we are able to see, these markings are called as striations, or we can say bands. These are our striations, and the red one which we typically are seeing in every diagram, this is the nucleus of the striated muscle. So first of all, striated muscles, they are directly attached to bones, or we can say they are connected to the bones. Number second, they are voluntary in nature. This is in our control. These muscles are in our control. Example, the muscles of our biceps, of our hands, of our legs. They are voluntary in nature. It is in our control. Whenever we want, we can lift them up, or we can relax them, we can make them contract. So they are voluntary in nature. Number third point is they have a shape, as we can see. They are long and cylindrical. Cylindrical shape is present. Number fourth point, they have many nuclei. As we can say, they possess many nuclei. Means each muscle fiber is having 2 or 3 nucleus. So each one of them is having many nuclei. So they are not uninucleated. They are multinucleated. So if I'm saying they possess many nuclei or they are multinucleated, one and the same thing. Moreover, these are unbranched as well. As we can see, there is no branching present. So they are unbranched. There is no branching. Each one of them is separate. And similarly is for the smooth muscle fiber also, that they are also unbranched. They are basically attached to the organs of our body, smooth muscles. So these were the 3 types of muscle fibers which we distinguished from one another on the basis of the help of a diagram. So I hope you understood this.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.